this video are going to the Birdland, and I can't wait to see if I find some horror birds, so let's go. Also, in this video I will going to the Jurassic Park. Maybe in the Jurassic Park I will find some creepy dino. To be honest, I really like birds and animals, so I'm pretty sure that in this video I will find some horror and creepy birds, so just let's go. By the way, don't forget to press the subscribe button. Okay, let's go. Let's go, and maybe I will find some horror and creepy dino. Okay, let's go, guys. I've arrived and I can't wait to see the birds. No way, I found a penguin. Oh my god, I love penguins. Are you okay? like turtles because they walk so slowly and they seem so chill. I mean that they don't get stressed or something because they look like, oh, I don't care about life. I just like turtles. They are so chill.
Helikopter, helikopter.
Sorry for that. Okay, I will get in. This board looks very creepy. Maybe it's a witch board? Write me in the comments what you think. Guys, I was in Birdland and now I'm in Jurassic Park, so let's go. To be honest, in this place is a little bit creepy, but it's alright, so let's go to visit all the places. Let's go. Guys, I found a creepy place. So this is a creepy this place I will find some Dino. So go on. This looks like a forest. Maybe it is, but for a Dino, you know. Oh yeah, I'm right. There is a Dino.
Baby one.
Yeah, it's a baby one. Okay, so the lake looks so creepy. It looks like a witch's lake or something. But actually it's a lake for Dino. And right now I want to show you all the souvenirs that I bought from Birdland, so let's start. Alright, so for start I want to show you this dino egg, and if I put this egg in the water, a dino will grow up, so that is so interesting. And let's go to put this egg in the water. To be honest, I can't wait to see the dino, so interesting, you see. Alright, so let's go. Alright guys, so I really love it. So what? Look, it's a dino, it's a baby dino. Like it's, oh no, don't beat him, don't beat him. He's so cute and little, oh, so adorable. I can't believe that I bought shark tea. I mean that they are shark tea, okay? That is so awesome. I also bought this bracelet and this flamingo thingy because I really love flamingos. Okay guys, so my video is finished. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe with bell. Okay, bye!